If you're not as beautiful as the other girl, be happy. You're beautiful in your own way. There is no competition. Hey, my darling, my daughter, my love, my sweetheart. I love you to death, my daughter. There is nothing to compete here. God created you for Himself, not for you. God wants you the way you are. The way you are, present yourself to Him. Let Him make you beautiful. Don't try hard to make yourself beautiful, because you'll ruin it and you'll look like the lips of Nemo. Sorry, I mean well. But why are you pumping these lips? Why? Leave them alone. I don't know if it's a traffic light or something, I'm not sure. You can't tell if they're smiling or not smiling, it's the same. Don't focus on the external, but you need to focus on the internal more than anything else.